In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a custom Squarespace domain to your Render project. I've got a GitHub project which has been deployed onto Render. We're now going to connect a custom Squarespace domain. I'm going to show you how to do it here step by step. So I'm on the Render dashboard, I'm on projects. As you can see, my project's already been deployed. It's just called To Do. If I click on it and then go to Do site, you want to go into the project settings. Now, before we go there, I'm going to copy the project URL to the clipboard, and as you can see, this is the default Render URL, and here is the website we're going to connect a custom domain to. So like I said, we need to go to settings. So go to settings once you're inside of your project, and then if you scroll pretty much all the way down, eventually you'll get to custom domains, and here we can add our custom domain. So click add custom domain. You then need to type it in. So here I am on Squarespace. I'm on account.squarespace.com/domains. I'm assuming if you've bought a domain on Squarespace, you know how to get here. I'm going to click on this domain here, knowledgebasehowto.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this domain. We'll then go back to custom domains. We'll type www. and then paste in this domain here and click save. Once you've done that, Render are going to tell you need to add 2 DNS records. So let's go and do that now. So we need to go to our domain. Obviously, we've clicked on it already. So we need to go to DNS. On DNS, we can go and scroll down and go to custom records. And what we can do is we can click add record. Just going to verify that it's me on Squarespace. And then once you've clicked add record, we can continue adding our first record. So what is the first record? It is a CNAME record for www pointing to this here. So this value, you want to just click on this copy button and it will copy this value. And once you've got this copied, just remember CNAME www. So you want to go to type, click CNAME. For host, type in www. And then for data, paste in the value that you copied here from Render. Very, very simple. Then click save. That should then be added, no problem. This should be the only record that you've got. If you've got any others, just delete them by clicking on the trash can icon. Now we need to add a secondary record. We need to add an a name or an alias record. So we'll go to Squarespace, we'll click add record, we'll go type, and here you can see we can add an alias record. That's that done. We need to point it to this value here. So we'll click copy on this value here. Then we'll go to data and we'll paste it in. For the host, just type in @ then click save. And then if you've got DNSSEC on and you get this error, you're going to need to disable it. So I'm going to click go to DNSSEC. I'm going to uncheck this, confirm, and this is basically me just following in the instructions that Squarespace told me. But we can go back, we can add this record again. Alias @ paste in this value. So just in case we got confused here, alias record pointing to this value here, which is we've pasted in here, and then the host is going to be @. So click save, and then once you've got this record added and the CNAME record, you should be all set to go. Now you just need patience. Now if you click verify, maybe it will verify straight away. As you can see, it's verified one of them straight away. It can take up to 48 hours. It went pretty quickly for me now. But you do need to be patient regarding the certificate because this can take, again, up to 48 hours. In my experience, it takes maximum an hour. So if it doesn't have these green boxes on both of these, within an hour or 2 hours, maybe you've done something wrong. But it can take up to 48. So what I would do is now just be patient. You're waiting for the certificate to be verified on both of these. You can click on your domain and see if it's working. As you can see, mine is working. Same with the root domain. So this one isn't working. We're just waiting on the SSL certificate. So once this goes green and the certificate is verified, it will all be working. Just believe me, you just have to be patient and this will go ahead and verify eventually. Once this is verified in green, everything will be working just like it should, just like this one. And you'll all be good to go. So thank you for watching. That's how you do it. I hope this helped.